Hello, ladies and gentlemen.
But this is not that safe because it gets boiling hot. Yeah? My old student whistle. If you Alex. Speed is frequency times wavelength. You know that. Yep. Yeah. So that's going to be 800 times 0.6 is 4.480 meters per second.
Yeah.
Right? And that's the speed of sound in the tube. The speed of sound in the tube is 480 meters per second.
Oh, can you do the sound
But
effects?
the speed in air is 330 meters per second.
Yeah, that one.
Because there's not air in there, but gas. What is a methane? CH4. What the mass of a CH4 carbon is? 12 plus 4. So the mass is 16.
Yes.
Oh, oxygen is 32.
Oxygen
So it's
plus
much
nitrogen.
lighter.
Oxygen is 32 plus nitrogen.
It doesn't matter, it's
14.
much higher than
14
the
is 28.
Yeah.
But they're a ratio of 1 to 4 in air. So I take 0.2 of this and 0.8 of that.
Okay.
Yeah? So times 0.2 times 0.8. And then we add them up. Is that correct? Yeah, 2 of that. That is 64. Yeah? 6.4 in other words. Yeah? And this is 8 keer 8 is 64 over 16, 22. 22.4. Yeah? Add the two together.
28.8.
28.8. That's 29. So the mass is 29 and here the mass is 16.
So it's lighter methane.
And yes.
So there's
and
less resistance for it to push it.
yeah, because they're lighter, the average speed at which they're going is a lot higher.